Tip number 6: stay organized. Keep your study materials organized and easily accessible. This will help you avoid wasting time looking for things and stay focused on your studies. Tip number 7: take breaks. Take regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and increase your productivity. Take a short walk, grab a snack, or do something else you enjoy to help you relax and recharge. Tip number 8: stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and engaged in your studies. Join a study group, work with a tutor, or find other ways to make studying more enjoyable and rewarding. Tip number 9: celebrate your progress. Celebrate your achievements and progress, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you stay positive and motivated as you continue to develop your study habit. Tip number 10: be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to developing a habit of studying. Stick to your study schedule, even on days when you don't feel like studying. Over time, your study habit will become more automatic and easier to maintain.